Today we'll talk about how can you add your bio on your MyJury app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your MyJury app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, just click here on settings. When just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Sorry, or you just click here in this sign, just click in this sign here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on your name here, then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on view here. So then here add your view. When you're done, just click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.